that I wanted to try out, and the first thing is this Too Faced Prime, Set, and Refresh Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Let me take it out of the thing. That would be... So it's a primer and setting spray. It is silicone, alcohol, and oil free. Let's try this out as a primer. It smells good, kind of. And then I have these two. I don't know if any of these two are going to be my shade, but it is the something ultra wear makeup stick from Lancome and All Day Color Wear and Comfort. I don't normally like stick foundations. The only one I do like is Makeup Forever, but I wanted to try this because I have it. So I wanted to try it. This is in the color 250 Bisque, and this is 210 Buff. So I'm gonna go with the darker one. Oh yes, perfect. My skin is breaking out right now because I've been going in the pool with my daughter like every day, and I've been packing so much freaking sunscreen on, so I know that's why my skin has just been breaking out. So I'm just gonna apply this and then blend it out with a brush. Man, this is a perfect color. I'm so happy. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize. Really smooth and creamy, that's for sure. One question, and I need some answers. What do you guys think I should do as far as Halloween looks? Because I have, this is like good coverage. I have one for sure, maybe two, possible two, but one for sure that I know I want to do. I can't think of any more, and I usually like to do about like 4 or 5 if I can. That's my goal, 4 or 5. So I need at least 2 to 3 more ideas. Actually a little lighter than I would have liked. Doesn't really look like the right undertone, or it's just a little bit too light for me. I thought it was a good color, but now that I have it all over my face and compared to the rest of my body, it's not that good. I have a Tarte foundation, a stick foundation in Tan Deep Honey right here. Maybe I've never used this one. I don't know. Maybe that will darken it up a little bit. And mix it in just around like the perimeter of my face, just to kind of darken it up a little bit. I'm not really trying to like contour or anything. I'm just kind of adding it in. And then I also have a concealer from Lancome as well, but I don't know if I want to use it just because I want to try a new setting powder, and I kind of want to use a concealer that I always use just to kind of test it. So I think I'm gonna wait on this one. So I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape. This foundation feels a little heavy already. I mean, it covered really well, but it does feel a little heavy. But I'm also not used to wearing stick foundation, so that could be it too. So let me know below what you guys want to see for Halloween looks. Honestly, that foundation covered a lot. Next, honestly, I'm really nervous about this. I have the Huda Beauty settings, Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I'm extremely nervous about trying these, mainly just because this part can really up my makeup if it is not a good powder. Like, I'm really scared to try this. I don't know what color I am. I have Pound Cake, Banana Bread, and Cupcake. No, I think Cupcake is a little too pink. I think I'm gonna try Pound Cake. I haven't seen any reviews on this, so I don't know if people love it or hate it. It has some kind of like fragrance to it. I guess I'm just gonna try Pound Cake. Oh, I'm scared. I'm gonna put it on with my blender like I always do. Oh, okay. Wow. That looks and feels really good. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I was so scared. It's so thin. Wow. That's a good color too. Wow, you guys, I really like it. Like, really like it. Wow, and it makes you super matte too. I don't think I'm supposed to be setting my whole face with it, but on the picture it just says like basically. Wow, I really, really like it. So of course we're going to start out with my favorite base. It's Sigma's Persuade eyeshadow base, and I'm using the stick one. This is going to prevent any creasing and cancel out any discoloration, and I'm just going to blend that all over my eyelid. And then the palette that I'm going to be using two palettes. The first one is the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I'm going to take the transition color, which is a matte orangish color, with the Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease and a little bit above until I get the intensity that I want. Then I'll be taking the new Smashbox covershot palette. I love these little things. I think this is called Prism or Prism Effect palette. I'm going to take the shimmery purple color, which I think this says to apply it. It's a new finish. It says to apply it with your finger, but I didn't, and it still worked pretty good. I applied it to the inner and outer corner first, and then whatever was left on my brush, I blended that into the center. And then the next color that I used was just wow. It's wow. It looks white, but then when you apply it to your eyelid, it's kind of like an iridescent purple color, and the other white one is like an iridescent like bluish color. They are goldish color. They are so pretty and super pigmented. So I applied that to the center of my eyelid, and I went it like going up like almost like a clown like. I did that on purpose. And my daughter is playing around in the background with my dad, so I hope you can't hear it. The next color I'm taking from the first palette I used is the dark matte purple color. I just wanted to add a little bit more purple to it, so I added that to the inner and outer corner of my eyes. I also added that purple color to the lower lash line as well, and then under that I blended it out with the transition shade I used in the very beginning, just to kind of diffuse any of the harsh lines. And then for the inner corner highlight, I kind of added the two top colors. I kind of mixed them. I used more of the pinkier one, but I kind of mixed both of them, my brush into both of them. And then for my waterline, I added a purple. This is a Makeup Forever. And then for lashes, I used Milk Makeup, and I applied false lashes. For bronzer, I'm going to try this Violet Voss Glamingo face palette. And I think it might be a little too dark for me, but I'm going to try Bronze Goddess. And then for blush, Sweet Cheeks. And then I don't know if I'm going to use this highlighter. I guess I'll try White Sand for highlight. Switch to Makeup Geek's Sun-Kissed Fair Skin Bronzer. And honestly, I'm really happy with both the foundation and the powder, the setting powder. I'm really happy with that. It's a little strong again, but that's okay. Like very lightly going over it. And this is with a Dose of Colors brush. I'm gonna spray my face again with the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 setting spray. Did I even say that in the beginning? I don't think I said the name. So I'm just gonna spray that first to give the highlighter something to stick to. Ooh, pretty. Leave it. For lips, I have the new Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipsticks. I cannot wait to try these. They're not completely matte, but I don't think they're really shiny as well. I hope not. I hope they're not too shiny. But I can't wait to try these. The packaging is also a little bit different. It looks more like glass, which I love. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. Ooh, that's pretty. This one is Day Slayer. This color is CEO. This is the one I think I'm going to use. Yeah, this is what I'm going to use. It is called CEO. It honestly feels so good on the lips. This feels so smooth and creamy. Really creamy. Especially compared to her other lipsticks, they're so thin.